Passive income is a supplementary emolument channel that needs the least work to generate. It is commonly known as a way of making an additional coin while gaming, spinning classes, or even sleeping. Offering some supplementary cash, passive income provides a security net by expanding your income channels. It offers you softness in times of unpredicted predicament or investment chances, providing you with an alternative to retire before the expected age. The cryptocurrency sector has made a new impact on chances for people to obtain passive income on the internet. At the same time, trading in the cryptocurrency business is a method to generate money. For one to generate this money, time is of the essence for research, even though it does not warrant gains. When one holds cryptocurrency, interest is not gained. Even fiat currency makes for you some profits if banked in bank accounts. Therefore, it is good to know that there exist several ways to earn passive income with cryptocurrency or expand the crypto capital with minimal to zero effort. Number 1. Staking. Staking is an easy and certain method to get profits on your cryptocurrency. It is a method of blockchain agreement created to permit distributed online members to reach a consensus on new records getting into the blockchain. Staking involves something called crypto bargain, which is a way of looking for investors. At times, market fluctuations are profitable to investors as they offer an opportunity to purchase stocks at bargain costs. When someone capitalizes their cryptocurrency, they permit their coin to be utilized to authenticate businesses and transactions. This is an algorithm called proof of stake. This is a more economically friendly and is less hardware intensive. The exhaustive way to do this is to use proof of work, which is gained by mining. It is paramount to note that blockchains authorize open and separate networks where members take part in governance and processes pertain to validating transactions. This is crucial since this kind of community-focused approach removes the requirement of primary authorities such as bank institutions. Commonly, blockchains randomly select a member, promote them to the status of authenticators, and pay them for their work. Staking your cash locks them up for a settled number of times, normally 7, 15, 30, 60, or 90 days. In exchange, you will be compensated through cryptocurrency for your subscription to the network. The system used to select authenticators differs from blockchain to blockchain. Part of blockchain networks prompts the subscribers to put some money or commit their financial resources to the network. The blockchain picks the authenticators from a pool of subscribers that have already staked a given amount of its traditional digital asset. The authenticators gain profits from the staked funds for taking part in the validity of the network. This authentication way is what is known as proof of stake. It gives a chance to the holders to gain passive income. Many trading platforms like Binance grants staking. All that you require is to put your coins on trading, pay attention to the procedures given, and the procedure will be taken care of by the platform. One limitation of staking is the repeated proneness to price fluctuation. You peril not being capable of trading your crypto when you are blocked. Although, if you intend to hold cryptocurrency for a long period, staking is a free and easy warrant method to add your crypto pool. Number 2. Dividend-paying coins. Dividend-paying coins is another method of earning passive crypto income. This idea is obtained from stock trading, where part of a company's interests is shared with its shareholders. The company that has provided the tokens gives the holders a part of their gains. All you require as a subscriber is to hold a token, and you are certainly entitled to get a particular percentage of the revenue of the company. The more tokens that you have, the more dividends that you will get, and vice versa. To gain dividends on relevant coins, you usually need to hold your coins with provision trading. Provision trading means funds that are kept aside to use in the future in case of losses. Dividend money is reliant on the granting company, be it its periodicity or amount. Some of the coins that bring about dividends are KuCoin, Komodo, Ascendex, and Neo. One of the disadvantages is the dependency on issuing granting companies. This is not anticipated and is independent of your power. In this regard, companies are normally driven and dedicated to earning interests. Therefore, holding Dividend coins with a reputable company will provide you with benefits free from increased finances, or to an even greater extent in bear trading. Number 3. Earning interest through lending platforms. Lending has grown to be the most common crypto program in both amalgamated and unamalgamated sections of the crypto sector. As a business person, you can loan your digital assets to purchasers in anticipation to gain a profit. This is just like traditional cash lending, where you can gain profits from loaning your cryptocurrency to interested lenders. In fact, various programs provide distinct profits with crypto loaning. Some of the advantages that you need to pay attention to are the rates on profits or interests, compliance, safety, approved cryptocurrencies, and geographical limitations. Some commonly well-known loaning programs are BlockFi, which offers up to 7.5% annual percentage yield, and Gemini that offers up to 7.4% annual percentage yield. The two of them foster a huge range of cryptocurrencies and have unchanged interest rates created from corporate to enterprise borrowers. Shuttle Wallet, in other ways, provides one of the excessive interest rates in the market that is up to 10% APY, but it is restricted to USDC stable coins. All this is created from real assets and business lending. For anyone who chooses to lay down their interest rates, there are other programs such as KuCoin that provide peer-to-peer loans. At all times, it is very crucial to do your research to look for a program that best meets your requirements. Some of the lending methods are peer-to-peer lending, which allows the subscribers to set their policies and conditions and decide on the amount that they would wish to lend. They also set the interest that they target to get on the loans. Centralized lending, which depends on the lending services of third-party members. The interest rates are fixed. You need to transfer your cryptocurrency to the loaning program to begin gaining interest. Decentralized or DeFi lending, whereby subscribers are permitted to give lending services straight to the blockchain. There are no middlemen involved like peer-to-peer lending. The loaners and the purchasers deal directly with smart contracts that set the interest rates. Margin lending, that uses loaned funds to trade. The loaned monetary is used and repaid with an interest. In this lending method, crypto exchanges perform all the work on behalf of the subscriber. Number 4. Airdrops. Airdrop is a selling strategy where few amounts of crypto are dispatched to members of the blockchain community for a small fee, or potentially for free through the use of social media mentions. Coins are normally shared for free after the task and no buying is needed. There are several Twitter handles, Telegram platforms, Reddit threads, and websites to discover crypto airdrops. An example of such airdrops is the airdrops mob. Most importantly, airdrops only need a wallet address. As with all crypto stickouts, secure your identification and records and stay secure from possible scams and hackers. Number 5. Providing liquidity. Liquidity pools are a selection of locked funds used to clear the way for DeFi trading and loaning. Liquidity pools are sponsored in trading pairs. This means your down payment will be transformed into 2 coins depending on their current price ratio. When you offer your crypto to the liquidity pool, you will benefit from undertakings fees as benefits. Even if it is ordinary to see profits in high double-digit figures, do note that gains are attached to the benefit of the cryptocurrency. As a result, when the value of the coin changes, your gain may be affected also by not having the same value as before, which can also lead to loss. Before you decide on taking part in any of the above ways of making passive income through cryptocurrency, it is very important to do proper research. Just like traditional methods of investments, all of the investment methods have one risk or the other. Therefore, do your research first and get to know your requirements and risk you can cope with. It is advisable to only deal with high-quality assets for your profits. In a deficit finance world, expanding your remuneration streams is revolutionary. As the blockchain sector makes its way into the financial world, putting money into the correct coins and combining cryptocurrency remuneration ways are becoming more reliable and safer. With crypto's aggravating power, putting back your passive income can also translate to higher returns on your investment. It should be noted that for the more skilled and generalized crypto holders, mining and running Lighting or masternodes are more ways to generate passive cryptocurrencies. This has been 5 easiest ways you can make passive income through investing in cryptocurrencies. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, give it a like and please consider subscribing for more content.